The sales process from offer. The process of buying a property in the UK on average takes 16 weeks. This can be much quicker depending on how you fund your purchase and how prepared you are. The standard sales process is made up of these 5 stages: offer, legal, finance and valuation, exchange, completion. Once you have an offer accepted on a property you want to buy, the next step is to appoint a solicitor to carry out the legal work in the process. Your solicitor will also submit searches. These are to the local council to make sure there are no issues regarding planning or local issues that could affect the value of the property. If you are purchasing the property and obtaining a mortgage to do so, your lender will carry out a valuation survey. This is to make sure the property is worth what you are paying for it. The lender will offer you different levels of a survey, starting with the basic valuation through to a building or home buyer's report. Consider the age and condition of the property before selecting what type of survey you require. Once you have had the survey report, commonly known as the home buyer's report, you need to consider its findings. The report may have uncovered problems with the property that could mean expensive repair bills. The report may also state the property is not worth as much as you are paying, so you will have a shortfall. In both instances, you are free to renegotiate with the seller should you wish to continue with your purchase, but for a reduced purchase price or agreeing the seller carries out the repairs. Top tip: communication is key with your solicitor, as keeping the lines of communication open can often stop a purchase falling through. Always be aware of what is going on and the timescales you are working to. Exchange of contracts is the key stage in which the sale becomes legally binding and you pay a deposit, typically 10%. The last stage is completion. This is when your solicitor will send the balance of funds to the seller's solicitor. The solicitor will take their fees or invoice you, and the property is all yours and the keys are released.